Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkulisoka. Ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. First half i-Kaizer Chiefs versus AmaZulu bafethu. I-Kaizer Chiefs idominate game from start to finish, ba-create ama-opportunities amaningi. But-ke moment of i-first half bafethu, uMayo ukuba greedy. I don't think abantu ababukele le game le bazoyikhohlwa le moment kaMayo ukuthi uModi usebenzile taking players on, badlale kahle kakhulu amajita walichipha, uyothinta ibhola le ku-touchline and offside. I mean ufuna ukutshontsha igoli lomunye umntwana esebenze kanzima kanje. I mean this shows ukuthi, I mean already ama-supporters ayamncoma uMayo ukuthi ufikile e-Kaizer Chiefs uzo-change izinto, but if uzodlala kanje ukuthi manje aba-greedy, I mean leya moment ngeke ama-fans we-Kaizer Chiefs ayikhohlwe ukuthi uMayo wenzeni, sazi ukuthi uzoziredeema kanjani. But-ke I mean that was selfish to the core. I mean izinto ezikanje bafethu asiyiboni everyday. Elayinini selingenile ibhola uyalithinta wena, the worst part offside. But asingeneni ku-game overall bafethu. Sibonile ithe igame iqeda ukuqala laphana uModi wakhatha inside washutha, but-ke balibhlokha, u-Allen walibhlokha ibhola deflected to be ilokhu njani, is it i-goal kick, no i-corner kick. And then uEsteni udlale kahle, i-good pass laphana for AmaZulu, almost created an opportunity but uHadebe wafika late. uLilepo-ke bafethu golden opportunity, seyiqeda ukuqala futhi immediately after i-counter yamaZulu, Lilepo uthole golden opportunity 1-on-1, a great assist from uMayo, udlale kahle kakhulu wageja uLilepo. I mean free kick walishaya straight, khona la shaye khona unnecessary again uLilepo. Yilawo ma-opportunities la uLilepo wa-frustrate khona ama-fans ukuthi uyinenkani. I mean i-bravado persona yakhe bayayithanda ukuthi is goal driven, but-ke so many times unnecessary ukuthi uyashutha la kungamelanga ashuthe khona, then sekazoxolisa after. Then Kaizer Chiefs i-survive-ile-ke good counter attack laphana from AmaZulu. I mean AmaZulu beba-create lawo ma-moments lawo amancane but not big major moments, survive i-Kaizer Chiefs. But-ke masibheka igoli lamaZulu bafethu, poor defense from i-Kaizer Chiefs. I mean AmaZulu azamile ukusquare ibhola, balibhlokha laba be-Kaizer Chiefs. La blockwa futhi umuntu wamaZulu la kwenye indawo. Then second opportunity-ke basquare, poor defense from Kaizer Chiefs. uNgwenya-ke waheda ibhola, simple, not challenged. But mawubheka leyo moment leya, uZitha Kwinika could have easily committed all out ukuthi bangalisquare ibhola, but-ke uya laphana from a distance aka-commit all out. So poor defense from i-Kaizer Chiefs overall. Kaizer Chiefs athola i-penalty too casually from laphana, from yena uLilepo geja opportunity enkulu bafethu. You can't be casual kuma-moments angaka anje, kumele you have to bury those opportunities. uLilepo geje 2 golden opportunities. I mean 1-on-1 no goalkeeper, a penalty. I mean i-Kaizer Chiefs ama-demons wabo last season bafethu ayabonakala. Even if they can grind those results, but Kaizer Chiefs could have easily scored 3 or 4 goals laphana first half, but they couldn't. Penalty, golden opportunity, igoli lakaMduduzi Shabalala. Well, singasho ukuthi a good goal from uMduduzi Shabalala, but a bit of arrogance. Uyakora igoli, setshela ama-fans bafethu overall ukuthi laphana setshela ama-fans laphana ukuthi akhuluma kakhulu, yena uziprovile whatever, zonke lezo zinto lezo, ukuthi ukorile wababheka wathi bakhuluma kakhulu, yonke leyo nto leyo. Mina akumelanga ayenze leyo nto leyo ku-Kaizer Chiefs overall. Khona i-beautiful moment engifuna ukubuyela kuyo, uNgcobo udlala ibhola elihle kakhulu, bamiyekelile and then was able to beat i-defense ukubabhayizisa laphana, wathola i-golden opportunity ukuthi akore. Unfortunately-ke naye was too casual, akwazanga ulu-convert leya opportunity leyo. Opportunity enkulu kakhulu bafethu laphana from yena uNgcobo overall. There was no power behind the ball. I mean khona i-good play from i-good play from uLokhunjana, uShabalala laphana bafethu, but uShabalala he tries to do too much, yenza izinto zibe simple, uphasa ibhola, but ufuna ukubaqeda, sekamqedile okokuqala, ufuna ukubaqeda too much, kube nje udlalisa ama-player wakhe. But overall ngiyambona ukuthi ulively, but kumfana uShabalala mangimbheka, especially njengoba athi ama-fans akhuluma kakhulu, it has happened before. Shiva Vero washaya igoli wathi ama-fans akhuluma kakhulu. You don't do that because manje ama-fans mawabona wenzana namaphutha, sewazoku-attack-a kakhulu based on ukuthi wena uya-react. So one of those things kumele azame ngempela umfana ukuthi akwazi ukuphatha kahle, anga-react to ama-fans, angabi too emotional. I mean uyi-public figure, fans are not public figures, they are just fans but they are too reactive, so kumele akwazi ukuziphatha kahle. Goalkeeper wamaZulu laphana obaseyivile bafethu, ushaye two big saves overall laphana first half. Uyawusavile. Kaizer Chiefs could have easily scored 4 goals laphana first half, 4 or 3 goals. So I mean, um, it was just those moments ukuthi abakwazi ukuthatha ama-opportunities wabo. The one thing I don't understand, ulo umthetho is perfect for i-Kaizer Chiefs in terms of maybe bedlala ne-team ezoba-attacker kakhulu, but-ke if bayazi ukuthi ba-better than amaZulu, why don't they put i-midfielder maybe ezoba more mobile in terms of giving them ama-player amaningi going forward, babe-attack minded isikhathi esiningi, because i-team efana namazulu, they know they are far better than amazulu. In order for them to create many opportunities, they need umuntu laphana oyi-midfielder ozokwazi ukudictate, ozokwazi ukushaya lawo ma-passes lawo, uyakwazi ukuba offensive kakhulu. Banabo, but guess what, they need to be more offensive, because amazulu kuyabonakala ukuthi laphana, especially ngoba ngikhuluma nge-first half kuphela. First half bebadlala i-low block, they didn't plan obviously ukudlala i-low block, but i-Kaizer Chiefs, they came out like the big boys. They wanted to kill off or finish off the game, but obviously the demons of last season obviously visited them again. They cannot convert their opportunities overall. They have to try an improvement in order for them to keep the momentum of competing for things this season. But so far, I mean, if they keep missing opportunities, and the confidence iyehle confidence, because you have to be able to convert opportunities overall. You cannot convert opportunities wonke, but guess what, at least convert 50% of those opportunities. Kumele bakwazi ukulungisa kuleyo department, possibly bazokwazi uku-improve from lapha, because I mean, they really have to create opportunities, bawathathe lawo ma-opportunities, because create some opportunities last season, same thing, they creating opportunities, not able to kill off those opportunities. I-team lena ezocompete, if they're not able to kill off those opportunities, angazi. Defense Kaizer Chiefs attack kakhulu, but when they are really attacked, they are exposed. AmaZulu could have easily created opportunities, especially from right, left wing yamaZulu, la kumaka khona ulo uSolomonzi play good offensively isikhathi esiningi ufuna ukuya phambili, which is good in terms of providing i-depth for i-Kaizer Chiefs mabaya phambili, or i-manpower laphana phambili, but ispace sakhe at times ukhohliwe laphana ukuthi even a-track back. That is why few occasions amazulu laphana first half they expose that space. Igoli lamazulu livele laphana lesa space lesa, so izinto maybe uSolomons menika ama-opportunities ukuthi adlale, amake sure ukuthi usebenza kulelo side lelo ukuthi akabi exposed. Play good in terms of speed nako konke. Maningi ama-player kumele improve eKaizer Chiefs. Ulilepo ngikhulumile ngayo ukuthi uyawathola ama-opportunities, but improvement yakhe kumele ize ekutheni abe i-team player, akwazi ukudlala nama-players wakhe, angacabangeli nje i-individual glory nama-headlines ukuthi kumele akore igoli. No, kumele acabangele i-team as a whole. Thank you bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe.